Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make an acorn house in Minecraft. Let's start by laying down the foundation for our cozy new home. First, gather some dirt or wood blocks. You'll want to create a circular base, roughly 7 to 9 blocks wide, depending on how spacious you want your acorn to be. Make sure your chosen spot is nice and flat, or take a moment to level it out. This solid base is crucial for a stable and charming build. Now that our base is ready, let's build up the main body of our acorn house. For the walls, I recommend using brown wool or terracotta blocks to give it that natural, earthy acorn shell look. As you build upwards, try to create a gentle curve, making the structure a bit wider at the bottom and gradually narrowing as you go. Remember to leave a space for your front door and at least 2 windows to let in plenty of light. Next, it's time for the most distinctive part, the acorn cap. For this, dark oak wood or spruce wood blocks work wonderfully to create a contrasting texture. Build a dome shape that gently extends outwards, slightly wider than the main body of your acorn. This gives it that classic, recognizable silhouette. Don't forget to add a small stem right on top, perhaps using a single fence post or a log block to complete the look. With the exterior complete, let's make the inside functional and cozy. First, place your door and fill those window openings with glass panes to keep out unwanted guests. Inside, ensure you have plenty of light by placing torches or glowstone blocks strategically. Finally, furnish your new home with essentials like a comfortable bed, a crafting table, a furnace, and some chests for storage. Your charming acorn house is now ready for adventure.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.